Hi there! Investing in the S&P 500 is one of the most popular ways to gain exposure to the US stock market, often considered the most robust in the world. But if you're in the UK, figuring out where to start can be a bit tricky. Which ETF should you choose? Which platforms can you trust? And most importantly, how can you ensure that you're investing safely and efficiently? These are common questions that many British investors face, and that's exactly what we're going to address in today's video. So, if you're in the UK and want to learn how to invest in the S&P 500 in a simple and practical way, stick around. This video is for you. For the complete version, feel free to check out our article on investingintheweb.com, link in the description below. Step 1. Pick an ETF tracking the S&P 500. The S&P 500 consists of the leading 500 publicly traded US companies. It includes large, well-known companies such as Apple, Tesla, and Microsoft, just to name a few. While you can't directly buy the S&P 500 index, you can invest in an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that replicates the index's performance. For UK investors, it's important to note that you can't invest in US ETFs like VOO. Instead, there are Europe-specific ETFs that comply with European regulations. On the screen, you'll see a table listing the 5 largest S&P 500 ETFs available for British investors. This list was curated using Just ETF, a handy tool for finding and comparing ETFs. We would recommend one of the first 2, iShares or Vanguard, for these reasons. Both present a total expense ratio, TER, of 0.07%, which is considered very low. The replication method is physical, meaning that you are investing in the underlying assets. These 2 are the biggest ETFs by asset under management, AUM, meaning that they are extremely unlikely to be closed down. It's important to note that the same ETF can be traded on different exchanges and in various currencies. Since the currency in the UK is GBP, it might be advantageous to invest in an ETF quoted in your local currency. Why is this important? By choosing an ETF listed in GBP, you can avoid unnecessary currency conversion fees, which can add up over time. For your convenience, all the ETFs we mentioned earlier have been presented with their GBP ticker versions. Step 2 is to choose a good ETF investment platform. Having selected one of the mentioned ETFs, you'll need to find a broker where you can actually invest in it. To simplify this process, we've summarized which ETFs each broker offers, using the tickers from the previous table. You can compare different platforms directly in our article, where we analyze their fees, minimum deposits, ISA availability, and more. We'd feel confident investing with any of the platforms listed. For more advanced investors with larger portfolios, we recommend Interactive Brokers, one of the top investment platforms globally. For beginners, Trading 212 is an excellent choice. Plus, by using our promo code IITW, you can get a free share worth up to £100 when signing up with Trading 212. Additionally, our channel features step-by-step guides on how to invest in the S&P 500 using various platforms, including IBKR and Trading 212, so be sure to check out our other videos. The final step: place your order. Once you've found an online platform that meets your needs, it's time to place a buy order for your chosen ETF. For this example, we'll use Trading 212. Start by searching for your ETF. We'll use CSP1 in this case. Next, click Buy and enter the order details. We'll purchase a fractional share of the ETF using a market order. Click Review Order to double-check all the details, including fees, before finalizing. Finally, click Send Buy Order. And that's it. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments or feedback, please leave them below. And if you want to check more details or read our comprehensive analysis, you can read our article on Investing in the Web, where we go more in detail about which ETF you should choose, the fees you'll be charged, and other info. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.